This is Paul Stevenson, and I want to welcome you to the Strategic Mortgage Default System video series. This is video number 2. What is strategic default? In this video series, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know in order to understand whether strategic default is the right move for your underwater mortgage. So what is strategic default? The definition I usually give is strategic default is when a property owner makes the conscious choice to stop paying his mortgage because it's not in his best financial interests to continue paying. This situation usually arises when the house is underwater, meaning that more is owed on the mortgage than the house is worth. Some people stop paying their mortgage because they're broke. They don't have the money left, so they have no choice but to stop paying. The traditional strategic default candidate is someone who does have the money to pay, but who does not believe that it's a smart financial move to keep paying on an asset that's worth so much less than what is owed on it. It may sound to you then like strategic default is about not paying your mortgage. And while of course in a strategic default you do stop paying your mortgage, strategic default is really about planning. You see, when you stop paying your mortgage in a strategic default, you're kicking off the same process as any other failure to pay, but the difference is you're planning ahead for how you're going to deal with the bank to create your best outcome. Your goal, of course, is to dispose of your mortgage, get rid of your house, and not have the bank pursue a deficiency judgment against you for the unpaid balance. You basically want to get out from underneath this bad investment, have no ongoing liability with the bank, and little or no cash out of your pocket up front to make that happen. As you've seen in the media, many people are achieving this goal, and if you want to be one of them, it's necessary for you to prepare a battle strategy up front for how you're going to deal with the bank in order to maximize your chance of success. This preparation involves knowing the risks, rewards, and process of strategic default. As much as I wish it were the case, strategic default is not an exact science. There's no one way to go about it, and there's no guaranteed outcome if you do. However, with the right knowledge and preparation, you can greatly improve the chances of getting the result that you want. As I said, there's no guarantee that you'll get away scot-free, but right now, the banks are up against the wall as much as you are. If you're ever going to find a way out, if you're ever going to get forgiveness from the bank, now is the time. The banks don't have the bandwidth to deal with the sheer volume of bad loans that are on their books. They can't go after everyone, and even if they could, the courts are so jammed up with cases already, it would be years before they ever got to your case. Consequently, if you're well prepared, if you know your rights, you can make it easy for the bank, and you can be the one that they want to find a solution for and let you out of your bad situation so you can get on with your life. Thus, preparation is the key, and this preparation requires asking and answering the right questions so that you can understand where you stand legally and strategically with the bank. In this video series, I'll be taking you through those questions and helping you to understand where you are in this process. So stay tuned for the remaining videos, and for more information or to purchase the Strategic Mortgage Default System, please visit my website at www.strategicloandefault.com.